Hi, it's Tony. I'm out with a friend today because I don't normally go out on my own. But I'm just going to show you what's about at the moment. We're in Carricks at the moment, and I think we're day fourth week of the lockdown. So I'm going to show you what's shut and what isn't. Alright, so you've got Tesco's over there. McDonald's, I should say Tesco's over there. McDonald's is completely shut down. Alright. So you've got Foxglove, Costa Coffee, Subway still not open. And the Empire. Normally this would be absolutely chock-a-block because we're on a Tuesday now, and as you can see, nothing about. So Tesco remains open. Got a lot of shoppers here still there, and there's home delivery as well, I noticed. The queues this week aren't as manic as we were a fortnight ago, but yeah, I shall move on. So Domino's remain open. The Yorkshire trading shut, of course. I think they're shut. I might be open. So I'll try this door. Oh, they are open. My mistake. They're keep two meters apart at all times. So Yorkshire trading is open. Alright. It's a complete apocalypse around here, you know. Reminds me of Spain off season. Oh, Holland and Barrett are open. Okay. So. This is shut. Pets at home are still remaining open. Obviously, pets need to be fed. Dogs, cats, stuff like that. Of course, the NHS workers getting priority, as they should do. Poundland still open. Social distancing. 65. It's pretty quiet in there. Nothing about. Iceland's open. Iceland's still open. Next is still open. So NHS get their own specific times. But you can see there's not many people in there at all. So next is shut. I mean, this is interesting. Boots have got a 2 metre line here. Of course, all the big stores, all the other stores shut down. Oh, Sports Direct. Now I thought it was Sports Direct. They were going to keep their shops open, but then they closed it. And then Work Zone at the end. Pretty much dead. So Bernardo's are shut. Yeah, it's just a few of the shops that are down here. Very quiet. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. I'll catch you later.